Greetings from Övernäsgården in Mariehamn, Åland, Finland. From on this 1st of September 2024, and I am starting off the day from the camping slash cabin village that I am staying, and I had a wonderful sleep in the cabin, as well as later wonderful breakfast with sea view. Yes, I was overlooking the sea, and it was a bit sunnier earlier this morning, but unfortunately I was having some breakfast and couldn't come in here for a swim. But now I'm checking out this beach as well that's not marked on Google Maps, but it's very nice indeed. It has a small sandy part with 4 plastic chairs to sit on, and this nice jetty over here that you can see. There is even a sauna here that's actually under reparation right now, so one could not use it. And you can see the cabins here that are overlooking the sea. And there is even a floating sauna over there that looks quite amazing. I'm not sure if it is in use. But yes, I am for the weekend in Åland, which is a group of islands, an autonomous region that's part of Finland, and they speak Swedish. And I'm sharing with you interesting facts about Åland, or just true facts that it is. And the fact for today is that the currency of Åland is Euro. Yes, the same as Finland. So despite they are speaking Swedish language, they use Finnish currency because it's technically part of Finland as well. And yeah, so I have actually a cruise ship to catch later today at 2:30 p.m. So I have around now 4 more hours to explore Åland, as it is 10:30 right now. And currently we have 14 degrees Celsius in the air, so quite chilly, and it's 17 degrees Celsius in the sea, same as yesterday. And yes, the first swim for today. Let's see, I think I'm gonna explore one more beach later today, and then explore a bit in the city that is quite small. Actually, you can just walk past the whole city center in 5 minutes. That's how small Mariehamn is. Mariehamn, as I mentioned in the previous videos, have a population of 11,000, and the whole Åland region has 30,000 population, and they are divided. I mean, Åland consists of 607,000 islands, but only 60 of them are inhabited. So yes, Övernäsgården, this is that you see, and then it is time to take a swim here on this jetty that's connected to another floating jetty. And I think I have seen some people swimming here in the morning. It is a bit deeper compared to the shallow waters I have been exploring yesterday, which is good. Which is good for a quick swim indeed. And there is another sandy beach also on the other side. And as I mentioned, you will not find this on the map, but you can just look for Övernäsgården, the camping village, cabin village actually. All right. Time to start off the day and the month of September. 1st of September, the day is today. So I'm starting it off with a swim in the Baltic Sea here. In this part of the Baltic Sea that's called Övernäs, I believe so, if I'm not completely mistaken now. So let's then get going and swim here in Åland, Mariehamn. Let's then... Oh, I can stand. I can stand, so it is quite deep enough for a swim, so let's go. Amazing. Quite nice to take a swim here where I'm staying. So at the cabin that I'm staying, it's only 100 meters away from the sea, but I need to check out now in 1 hour, so, and get to the city a bit to explore more. So yes, this is the view also from the water, as you can see, Övernäsgården. So yes, then that's a wrap from this beach that's part of the camping slash cabin village here in Mariehamn, Övernäsgården. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me. Greetings from Mariehamn, Åland, and see you soon again with another fish adventure on my channel, Fish Adventures with Chris. And I forgot to mention that there is a warning for sand pits, actually mud pits, warning for lergropar here. Actually, I stumbled upon one on my way out, but it was quite interesting indeed. So yes, warning for mud pits